In this video, we are going to show you how to set up the volume calculation for a 500 barrel frac tank, like the one you see on the screen. So from TankScan, you can expand into one of your tanks, and we'll go into provision, and we're going to look at this full barrels calculation. We'll go ahead and edit that. And we'll scroll down. We see that we're applying a lookup table or a strapping table to the calculation here. And I'm going to expand this out. So from here you can see essentially starting from 0 is our raw measurement on our ultrasonic sensor. So at a 0 measurement, as you're at top of tank, there would be 501 barrels in this tank. And then as it scrolls down in measurement all the way to the bottom of this tank, which is 104 inches, then it's 0 barrels in the tank. And these numbers are all coming from the strapping table from the manufacturer of the tank. This 0, 4, 9, 13, 18 barrels increment up as you move up from the bottom of the tank. And so if we look at the strapping table for this tank, this you see the inches 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 104 inches for a 501 barrel tank. And there's your 4, 9, 13, and 18 barrels from the bottom of the tank going upwards. So that's how you set up your lookup table to do your calculation for volume in a frac tank. You can set this up in a spreadsheet and cut and paste this into this lookup table in TankScan to get your calculations. So that's how that calculation works. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.